Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Latitude 15, the 5520 model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your battery. So first thing, power down your computer, make sure that it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access the bottom case screws. This computer has 8 screws on the bottom case near the red arrows. They're captive screws, which means they don't actually come out of the bottom case, even though they're fully unscrewed. Once you unscrew them, you're going to take a small, flat pry tool. It's generally best to start near one of the back 2 corners near the hinges, and you're going to insert it in the seam of the bottom case in the computer and gently pry off that bottom case. Now, don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge. Go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. After you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your computer project, as well as any of the replacement and upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all the tools and supplies as well as the replacement and upgrade parts for this computer. Now this is your battery right down here along the bottom of my screen. It is a 15.2 volt battery, 63 watt hours. The Dell part number is RJ40G. I will have all that information below in the description for your reference, but I will also have a replacement battery in that list I told you about with all of those tools, supplies, and replacement parts for this computer. Now the battery is held down by the screws near the red arrows, and it plugs into the motherboard near the blue arrow. Now that plug, you'll see on top of it, there's a black pull tab. That's how you would unplug it. You just pull that directly up and off of the motherboard to unplug that pull tab. One thing to mention about this operation, if you are here because your computer is not turning on, it could be a bad battery. You may have to replace it, but keep in mind that most laptops should still turn on and work with a bad battery as long as the charger is plugged in and working. So if your computer is not turning on, there could be something else wrong other than just a bad battery. If you would like help troubleshooting your issue, I will have a video tutorial link above, also below in the description, and that will be the full troubleshooting process I use in my shop to find out why a laptop's not turning on and how to fix it. And lastly, as long as you're in your computer, check out near the blue arrows, this is your RAM. RAM is a large part of your computer's speed and performance ability, and this computer has a good amount of RAM upgrades available. If you want more information on how to upgrade this RAM, check out the video that pops up when this one's done, and I'll explain more about that. If you have any questions, check out the FAQs below in the description. It could save you some time getting an answer. If you do need to leave me a question or comment, please feel free. I try to check those a couple times a day at least. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.